With storm season coming, Cabinet is briefed on the state's disaster management operations. But it's been preoccupied with its own disaster management. The Premier revealing Minister Oz Bates was asked to go on leave as the scandal surrounding one of his hand-picked top bureaucrats intensifies.
The Deputy Premier, the Treasurer and the Attorney General and myself were concerned about her health. So we asked her to take some leave.
He didn't speak to Ms Bates directly, but couldn't say who did. And he doesn't know exactly when she was asked, except to say it was last week. About the same time, Transport Department Director General Michael Caltabiano was sidelined for allegedly misleading Parliament over his previous professional relationship with Ms Bates' son, Ben Gomez, now a senior public servant in the Transport Department. Mr Caltabiano denies any wrongdoing.
It's no secret that she has had an antibiotic drip in her arm for about 6 weeks.
The Arts Minister fronted budget estimates last week. Over the weekend, she was out shopping and driving, but she won't be in Parliament this week.
If she can go out there and if she can drive a car and if she can do shopping, she can turn up for 1 hour.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's perfectly entitled to make sure that she has bread and milk for her family. Perhaps she wanted to see what was in the newspaper.